Hello, hello, my yarny honeybees. Today is Monday, March 14th, 2022. It is 8:20 p.m. and I am thoroughly flummoxed. I am flustered and flabbergasted and a couple more F words if we're going to be completely honest here. Because I just opened a package from my good friend who wishes to remain anonymous. And this was in response to Happy Mail I sent that person. And that person has sent yarn back. And I'm just in love. This yarn is fan-flippin-tastic. I can't wait to start using it. I'm so excited. So I decided to make a video and show off what I was sent. First things first, I was sent this cute little ball of Premier Home cotton in the color orange stripe, and it's very pretty, and I'm not quite sure what I'm going to use it for, but when I do figure it out, I'm sure it's going to be gorgeous, even if it's just a granny square coaster or a rug mug. Let's see, and then I was also sent this Bamboo Select Premier in the color Buttercup, and this is 80% rayon from bamboo and 20% extra fine merino. It is a light weight number 3 yarn. It is beautiful and I can't wait to use it. My package also contains this Premier Everyday Anti-Pilling Acrylic in the color Parfait. And I have been eyeballing this exact colorway for months. I don't know how this person got my taste in yarn so exactly, but they did, and I'm just blown away, as I said. So the next thing I'm going to show you is this bunny yarn that they sent me so that I could hug it because it's so squishy and wonderful. And it really is squishy and wonderful. And purple is my favorite color. And I just can't wait. I don't know what I'm going to make out of this, but it is going to look like I skinned a Muppet and made something out of its fur. Okay, it got a little dark there. And we're back. Next, I was sent this gorgeous Premier puzzle in the colorway Brainteaser. And this is gorgeous. It's got reds and dark reds. Don't know if you can, trying to get it near some light so you can see. It looks orange. And then I was sent 9 skeins. 9 skeins of this ToyBox in the color Lincoln Logs, Jump Rope, and what was this one? Hula Hoop. Now, I don't know about you, but these, to me, scream pixie sticks. Do you know what I'm thinking? Candy, candy, pop, pop, blanket too. That's what I'm thinking. That was my amazing package from my amazing friend. And I am so blessed and humbled. This was the most beautiful surprise, and I can't stop smiling. It made me feel like I don't have words. I felt so appreciated and loved when I opened that package and saw all of this yarn that I love and can use because my wonderful friend gifted it to me, and I can't wait to use it. And you know, I may end up giving somebody something I made with it, but right now I'm just so happy to have it. And I feel like I've got stars coming out of my eyes. So thank you so much to the person who sent me this amazing package. You know who you are. Mwah. 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 I love you. You are amazing. You are my shining star, and I am grateful for you. I'm thankful for you. Not just this yarn you sent me, not just that we met or that we're friends. For you. Okay, honeybees. I am going to go try to figure out where I'm going to put all of this new yarn and probably smile at it some more like a big weirdo. And I will catch you next time. Bye. Thank you for joining me today on Sunflower's Creative Showcase and Crochet. Please join me again for my next video. Follow me on social media. I am on Instagram at Sunflower_Fiber_Faerie and Twitter at FiberFaerieYT. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the notification bell so you can get all of my uploads. Be kind to yourself, be sweet to others, and remember, have a great day, honeybee.